What's up? We're gonna make a really kick-ass margarita today. We're gonna take advantage of the flavors of summer, which I love. I love summer. Fresh strawberries mixed with fresh basil. This is such a beautiful combination, and it's even better when it's mixed into this margarita. You're gonna absolutely love it. So let's get started. Any good fresh margarita is gonna start with fresh lime juice. So we're gonna go ahead and squeeze your fresh limes. Now it's time to mix up the actual cocktail. We're gonna start with the strawberries and the basil. So you wanna just cut off the little toppy top of your strawberry there. And then I'm gonna cut these in half because they're kind of big. Now we're gonna take a cocktail muddle and we're gonna smash all of the strawberries and all the juice and the pulp down till you get a really nice strawberry puree. Now what we wanna do is take a couple fresh basil leaves. If you really like basil, go for it and put a few in. I'm just gonna put 3 in, but if you want more, that's up to you. Now with the basil leaves, you don't want to totally pulverize them. You just want to lightly bruise them so they let go of some of their oils to flavor your margarita. That smells amazing. Now it's time to shake things up. We're going to add a little bit of ice to this so that it can cool the drink down. Then we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of silver tequila, 1/2 ounce of Cointreau, which is also a triple sec liqueur. It's just a little bit more refined flavor than a regular triple sec. So just 1/2 ounce of that. So 1/2 ounce of that fresh lime juice that we squeezed. Then we're gonna finish off with just a little bit of agave syrup, and that is going to sweeten everything up and balance the cocktail. Before we shake it up, I always like to put just a pinch of kosher salt in there just to give it that little salty sweetness. All right, look at that cocktail. Isn't that a beautiful color? We are going to grab the glass that we prepared earlier, and then we're gonna strain this cocktail into this glass. Here's the deal though. This cocktail is chock full of pulp, so it may clog up your strainer a little bit. You can always pull this off a little bit and skew it to the side if you like a little bit of pulp in your cocktail, or just give it some good shakes to clear and then keep pouring. All right, we've got that mostly strained into the cocktail glass. You can see there's a little bit of pulp there on the top of the cocktail. And then the final step is to top it off with a little bit of soda water. I love to do a fresh summer strawberry on the side of the cocktail. And maybe even just like some of these smaller top leaves of the basil. There it is, your strawberry basil margarita. Perfect for summer. Cheers.